One step apart, two systems, two markets. Only one place in the world, right here. And this is where AIE comes in. A launchpad for China's smart manufacturing, connecting markets around the world. Less than 0.6% of the nation's land, over a ninth of its GDP, more than 15 trillion yuan. The Shenzhen, Hong Kong, Guangzhou Innovation Cluster ranked number 1 in the world once again. 40 years running, China's number 1 in foreign trade. Global traders and buyers have been flowing through here year after year. Look east, and you'll find the Greater Bay Area emerging as a new epicenter of global intelligent manufacturing. One country, two systems gives it depth. Hong Kong and Macau give it reach. The Pearl River Delta gives it scale. It all adds up to one seamless journey, from showcase to deliver. With 10 trillion yuan industrial clusters and over 750,000 manufacturers, this foundation is the world's largest industrial sourcing market. Now, with the Shenzhen, Zhongshan Link and the Hong Kong, Zhuhai Macao bridge open, the Greater Bay Area has formed a one-hour economic circle, removing barriers to resource flow and tightly connecting supply with demand. AIE takes this further, linking the manufacturing powerhouse of Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and Dongguan with 4 national-level platforms, pioneering Asia's first full-cycle industrial ecosystem from R&D to mass production. From one Expo, 2 cities, to a 3-way synergy, AIE connects Macau, Zhuhai, and Hong Kong in one seamless loop. Macau sets the tone, a showcase for global debuts, the industry's trend barometer. Hong Kong builds the bridge, linking global buyers with international capital. Zhuhai makes it real, connecting the mega trading hub to the factory floor. Generate buzz, connect resources, convert demand, front to back, seamlessly linked. That's what makes AIE unique. The Venetian Macau Cotai Expo. Step into Macau's 18,000 square meters showcase, where global trends are launched and top-tier capital meets opportunity. 8 tracks, side by side, from AI chips and humanoid robots to brain computer interfaces and low-altitude electronics, spanning the full intelligent manufacturing chain. 5 interactive zones, try on smart wearables, experience future mobility, from watching to doing. The future, now within reach. This is more than an expo. It's a gathering of the world's top innovators, built around a 1+1+8+N framework. One opening, one keynote, 8 themed zones, unparalleled forums, Nobel laureates and academicians setting the agenda for the next decade. The 929 Challenge, the 6th China-Portugal Youth Innovation and Entrepreneurship Competition, opening new frontiers across Portuguese-speaking markets, and the Macau Science and Tech Park, showcasing tomorrow's breakthroughs. Zhuhai International Convention and Exhibition Center, a 52,000 square meters trading hub, built for trillion yuan orders, directly linked to source factories. Zhuhai's 4 themed halls, intelligent equipment, smart mobility, smart home, and smart audio-visual, designed for precision matchmaking. Outside, a drawing competition pushes boundaries, attracting research teams from around the world. Spot trends, go deeper, see what's next, connected globally, 4 dimensions, one loop, AIE. What you buy here isn't just a product, it's the direction of the entire industry. Top capital, brightest minds, exclusive markets, hardcore tech, all connected right here. The stage is set. Let's show the world what China's intelligent manufacturing can achieve.